This is a Mercedes-Benz car key sent by a friend who repairs keys. The chip on this new Mercedes-Benz car key is encrypted and cannot be replaced if damaged, only repaired. I now clean it up and take off the chip to see what caused the previous repairman to fail to repair it. After removing the chip, I found that a lot of BGA solder joints had fallen off the chip, and the unlock button had also been replaced, but not soldered well. It may be that this repairman gave up when he took off the chip and found that a lot of points had fallen off. So now I put the chip under a microscope, scrape out the pins of the solder pad, and later directly fly wire coil to make BGA solder pad, and then install it. Now the chip has been repaired, I will install the chip. Since this unlock button is plastic, I will put some tin on the solder pad first, blow out the solder joints, and then melt the solder joints and put the unlock button on it. This way, I don't have to blow directly at the button. Now let's test it. Press the unlock button. The red light is on, which means that our chip has been repaired and the button has been installed. Let's test it again. Perfectly repaired.